Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is FAIRPHONE 5, and in this video I am going to show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings and then head to network and internet option. Then we have to click on the internet, add network. We have to wait for the network here to pop up that we want to connect to, for example this one. And now we have to type password of this network. Now we have to click connect, and as you can see we are connected to it. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.